Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a font in DaVinci Resolve. So simply go out in your software, open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search it to free font. Okay, and showing it to more site, I'm just open the font. Go to search option, I'm just search here to exact font, or showing it to more option, like press on enter, then get this font, like I'm just download. So now successfully download this. Go back, open the download file. At first need to unzip because it's a zip file. Press on extract all. Okay, now it's extract. Press on open, double press on install. Okay, now it's installed. Go back, open DaVinci Resolve again. Go to effect, title, to basic text, select, okay. Select it and go to font family and find here to your exact font. So look here, I'm recently installed this Anton. So look here, Anton. Now I'm recently installed this. So that's it.